Aussie, fully involved outdoors. Nathan Smith running the camera. We came in, we were going to sit on this feeder, and there were some hogs already here when we got here, and we just let them go on and jumped up in here, and we just had a pig come downwind of us and wind us a little bit, and then these pigs came in and came in pretty good. There were some bigger ones in the group, but we got the first one that gave us a shot. So we put the Hartcraft trophy too right through it. I mean, it passed right through, buried in the mud. So we'll give him a minute, sit here a minute, and see if we can go find him. Trophy 2 Hartcraft, the muddy Trophy 2 Hartcraft. Like good blood on there. That sucker buried a good 8 inches in the mud after it passed through bone and skin, hide. Let's go see what we can find.
Baby deer.
I thought that was I thought the blood had not run out.
I'm filming and a fawn jumps. Could have had mixed bag.
Well, got the hog drug out. Didn't go 50 yards from where I shot it. It's 100 degrees outside. I'm wore out. It's hot. The feeder went off at 4 o'clock and pigs beat us there and ate the corn. So by the time these came out, there wasn't any corn left and they were acting kind of nervous. So we shot the first one we get a shot on, but this Trophy 2 did outstanding. Right in behind the front left shoulder, straight out the right shoulder. Got the vitals, perfect blood trail, good hunt all around. Thanks, Hartcraft.